guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Janilyn, and today's video I will be showing you how to make this cell phone pouch. So since I don't have the cell phone because this is an order from my friend, so I used carton and used Monaco acrylic yarn in red, green, and black. So this is strawberry pouch, and I used 3mm millimeter hook. Okay, to start with, as usual, sa lahat ng project, I started with a slip knot. Okay, slip knot and then chain 18. So you have to chain 18 and then, okay, chain 18. And from the hook you have to count 3 and then make a half double crochet until you reach the yarn tail. Okay, so just continue making half double crochet until you reach the yarn tail. So kindly click subscribe and please click the notification bell below, and kindly leave a comment and please give me a big thumbs up. Alright, so I will be back with you. Okay, so we are now at the yarn tail. So on the last stitch I already did one half double crochet. On the same stitch we have to make another two half double crochet, so total of 3 half double crochet on the very last stitch. So three half double crochet, and then on the next stitch we have to make another 1 half double crochet until we reach the other side. Just continue making. So this is how it looks like. It looks like curving. This is the base of our pouch. Okay, so on the very last, on the other side, the very last stitch, again we have to, okay, on the chain that we skipped 3 on the first, we have at the top we have to slip stitch and then chain 1. So we have to measure it if it's the same size as the carton that we draw or that we cut. After that we will continue making half double crochet on the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in every stitch, and then do this all the way around until you reach the stitch that we did on the very first. We did the slip stitch. So just continue making half double crochet. Alright, so continue making half double crochet. Yeah, okay, so we have to do this all the way around until we reach the very first where we do our slip stitch. So please don't forget to subscribe, kindly click the notification bell, and if you would like to have the written pattern for this, so just leave a comment on the comment section box. Okay, so if you love to have the written pattern, okay, all the way around until we reach the slip stitch that we did, and then on the very first chain, so we have to do the slip stitch and then chain 1 again. So this it looks like a boat. This is the base for our pouch, and then the same process make half double crochet on the next stitch after making the chain one, and then in every stitch that we did, so we have to make one half double crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We have to make this one, repeat this one as big as this for this color, since we have to make strawberry pouch. So we are now done for the red one, and then we have to make the green one. So in making this, we have to slip knot and then insert our hook on the where we end our red one, and then make half double crochet using this color, the green one. So this is supposed to be the leaves of our strawberry, but since this is a pouch, so obviously this is rectangular. This is a rectangular size. So again, if you wish to have the written pattern for this, you can just leave a comment under the comment section box below, and then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. This is just an easy tutorial because this is beginner friendly tutorial. So yeah, just continue making half double crochet in each stitch. So in each stitch we have one half double crochet. Just continue until you reach where you started your green one. Okay. Yeah. So I do hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I hope you guys are safe there. Now we are now on the end. So on the very first chain that we did, very first stitch that we did, we have to slip stitch to lock this round, and then chain one. So we are now started our first round of our green colored yarn, and then for the next round, again the same process. We have to make a half double crochet on the very next stitch that we did. Okay, so all the way around, just continue until you reach where we begin. Okay, so this is how it looks like after. My hands is so dirty, has a my finger pala. Okay, so just you don't need to, if you have your cell phone with you, you don't need to count the rounds. Just measure it with your cell phone, insert your cell phone. So in making the supposedly seeds of our strawberry, so just grab your yarn needle and use the black colored yarn, and then just do the running stitch. Okay, just do the running stitch just like this to make the seed of the strawberry, because since strawberry has lots of seeds on its skin, we have to make this one. Okay, alright, so the motor here is very I have a motor background in my video. because we live beside the highway. So this is our finished product. Not yet finished, but we have to do the leaves of our strawberry. So to do the leaves, to begin with, we have to make a slip knot. No, not slip knot. We have to make a circle and then chain one, and then just do not pull through. Just pull it, but do not tie it so tight, because you have to use that later on. And then chain 9. So from the chain, from the hook, count 2 chains, and then make a single crochet. And then on the next, we have to make double crochet, and the next again 1 double crochet. And then on the next stitch, we have to make 4 treble crochet on every stitch. 4 treble crochet on the next 4 stitch. Okay, so I would like to thank everyone, because we are na I have gained 500 subscribers, and I would like to thank you guys for supporting me all the way through my journey. Okay, so this is yeah, and then on the remaining 3 chains, we have to make 1 double crochet on the first chain, and then half double crochet on the next, and on the third chain we have to make a single crochet. And then on the loop that we did, the knot that I've been talking a while ago, so we have to make a single crochet, and then chain 2, and then on the same loop with the knot, we have to make another single crochet. And then this is how, then on the next we have to single crochet, and then here we have to, on the next we have to make half double crochet, and then on the next also double crochet. Then on the rest of the chain, or the four chain, or the 4 loops, we have to make another 4 treble crochet in each loop. So okay, alright, so ayan. And then on the very last loop, we have to make 1 single crochet, and then on the same loop we have to make a slip stitch, and then cut our yarn. So let's grab our scissor and then pull through, and then this is the leaves of our project. Then pull through the yarn on the back side, then tie it with, to secure our remaining string. Okay, so, and this is the leaf of our strawberry pouch. Okay, so we have to sew this. In sewing, I decided to go to our farm just to feel the breeze, the brisk of the air, and then I continued my project in making this. I just decided to make this on our farm. So as you can see, there are lots of grasses and yeah, and soil. Okay, so this is our finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe. Kindly click the notification bell below and kindly leave a comment, and please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.